G'day everybody, this is Grandad Jack and I'm back to show you a visit. I went to this guy's house who has this beautiful model railway and I thought I'd show it to you. It's probably one of the best ones I've seen in Melbourne, Australia, and this guy is just really good. His name is Bill Black and he models in Sn3, which is 1 to 64. And I think that's what it is. Yeah, anyway, Kazoo scale is 1 to 48 or 1 to 43.5, depending on where you live. And HO is 1 to 87, and it's in between the two, and it's narrow gauge in that scale. So let's go for a bit of a journey and have a look at Bill Black's fantastic layout. Bit of noise going on here, raining. So just on the name, Animas is part of the Animas Canyon on the Durango to Silverton Railroad, and Lobato is a station on the Cumbres and Toltec, both part of the old Denver and Rio Grande. So this scene that Bill has modelled is Cumbres on the Cumbres and Toltec scenic tourist railway that's part of the old Denver and Rio Grande. Bill has spent an incredible amount of time building models and doing the scenery. Most of the track is hand laid using rail and little dog spikes, and he's also scratch built a lot of the buildings and the locomotives and rolling stock. It's just a work of art, this layout. This is a scene of Cumbres rail yard that Bill has modelled, including the coal tower, the sand house and the roundhouse. These models are scratch built and they represent the exact replicas of what are actually there. One of the features of this model railway is the way that Bill has blended the backdrop scenes to the foreground. And as you look at the overall scene, he has actually had photos taken and had them printed out and put on a backboard for that amazing realistic look of his whole layout. When you look at these scenes, the way the background blends into the foreground is just amazing. Blending the background like this to the foreground creates amazing depth to the scene, considering the layout is only about 2 foot or 600 millimeters at this point. Another feature of this layout is the accuracy of the buildings themselves, because they represent the buildings and structures that are actually there on the railroad. Like this bridge, for instance, it just looks so amazing as the train rolls over it. So let's walk around the layout and join with me and have a look at this amazing work of art. An amazing feature of Bill's work is the way he blends the colours of the layout. For example, he uses lighter colours and then highlights them with green. So all the rocks and the ballast and the stones and that are a lighter grey. And then he highlights the colours with green and autumn colours that you will find in Colorado. Here's a great example here of highlighting the lighter grass colours with green and autumn colours.
Good point, yeah. Oh, that's right. That's where they're standing. Or not be so prototypical anal.
A new building.
This is a model of Vance Junction on the old Rio Grande Southern. And notice how he's used the photograph of the actual scenes of the mountains and blended those into his layout. He's used the muted colours of the background scene and highlighted those with the sharper colours of the foreground.
Let us know. But anyway, I'm a long way away. I haven't started building. It's all talk at this stage. We've got to talk about these things for a long time before we do them. We'll discuss. Yeah. And it's...
So there you have it. That's Bill Black's amazing SN3 model railroad. It's a work of art, and Bill's just a fantastic guy. He's been working on this layout for decades, and he's just done an amazing job. It's one of the best layouts that I've ever seen, and the artwork of this is just fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.